Hey guys, it's Jet, Felipe, and Garrison. We installed this muffler. It's the Swamp Series.
HMF XL.
HMF. Very loud on this Polaris 400. We're doing the before and after. You want to ram it up? Who wants to ram it up? You do it. You know how?
Pretty sure he don't know how to do that.
Alright, press gas just a little. Press the gas. No, just press the gas just a little. And we're gonna install this, and yeah, you about to see it. Alright guys, we're back. Buckbusters. Remember the box where you placed it? There's the old one right there.
Piece of crap muffler on the ground.
Yeah, piece of crap right there. We got the Swamp Series Extra Loud. HML.
Swamp Series XL.
All the way back.
Extra large.
It's a beauty.
Extra loud.
You want to crank it? Crank it.
That's what I said.
Keep it in idle. Keep